How much does a non-surgical facelift typically cost compared to a surgical facelift? So, surgical facelift, if you are in United States, it will cost you, if you do like a full facelift, including your neck and jawline. If you go to like, there are newbie surgeons, there are middle tier surgeons, and there are like top tier surgeons. If you go to a top shelf surgeon, you're looking at like maybe $100,000 for the whole face. It's like taking out a mortgage. If you go to a middle tier one, it's going to cost you like at least $50,000. If you do just a half a facelift and you go to a surgeon who's not going to botch you, you may still end up spending around $20,000 to $25,000. And so that's a surgical. So surgical facelifts should be reserved for those people whose skin has failed, and they have like lost the structure, the architecture, and it's like completely sagging. Sometimes that happens when you lose a lot of weight. But non-surgical facelift, which is like therapy, or which could be, some of these other injectables plus therapy, will cost you roughly around between $3,000 to $5,000 depending upon where you go. So if you're getting therapy in Manhattan, you may end up paying between $5,000 to $7,000 for somebody who does it correctly and well, and who's experienced, who's not going to botch you, who does it all the way through for the year. And that is something every year. So I know it's expensive, but guess what? Your skin is expensive. That's why I call it the most expensive organ. Therapy is very suitable for pretty much, I've used it on pretty much every skin type, and I still have to find somebody who didn't get a good result, because it's just an amazing treatment. And it's the sound energy that therapy brings to you is those frequencies are French frequencies, and I like the French. The French know how to tie a bag, and they know how to do it the best. And there are Chinese frequencies. It's called they are in a machine. If you use a machine called HIFU, that's Chinese frequencies. If you use a soft wave, that is an American frequency. But again, they are not the same size, the same depth as the one that the French have. And guys, I think that French know beauty better than the Americans. No offense, but that's the truth.